My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial of this royal blue look. I have been seeing the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette all over and it looks so gorgeous, but after my recent experience with buying the Anastasia Riviera palette and then realizing it basically have every single color, I'm like, you know what, I probably do have all, something close to what is in that palette. So I'm like, I'm gonna do a blue look. And I'm like, I got the blue wig and everything. So this is what I came up with. Yeah, I actually really like this, and I love blue looks. I just don't wear them that often, but I am really feeling this whole combination. So if you would like to see how to get this, then keep on watching, and if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking this light beige color MFEO with a Morphe M441, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade and just putting that in my crease, going back and forth, windshield wiper motions, you know the drill. And now I'm going to go in with Paper Tiger by ColourPop. If you're using the Jaclyn Hill palette, you can also use Pooter. They are almost identical to each other. And I'm just going to be putting that kind of right over where we put the first color using the same brush. Oh, I'm obsessed with this color. It's not even funny. So now I'm going to go in with Pooter, which is like a light brown, and a Morphe M443. And I'm putting that in my crease, and then I'm going to kind of pack that on the outer third of the corner, kind of deepen up the outer part of the eye, and then slowly drag the rest of the color into the crease. Then I turn my brush to the side and blend it out, and then go back in with the first blending brush and blend it out some more. So now I'm taking this beautiful royal blue shade Twerk, but before I put it on, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal eyeliner in Azure, and it's not the color that I want, but it's really thin and I want to be precise about the line I'm making, so I'm just using that to kind of outline. And then I go in with this Milk eyeshadow in Cobalt. And then I just put that all over the lid for a base that'll really make that blue shade pop. So now I'm going to go in with the Twerk shade. Twerk. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And I am using a Visanti flat synthetic brush to put that all over my lid. So once that is laid down, I'm going to go in with this dark, like burgundy brown called Chip and a Morphe R41. And I'm going to be putting that in the outer third of my eye. I just kind of make a V shape, drag it inwards, and just blend that brown shade in with the blue, so there's no lines, and then I drag it into the crease a tiny bit. I'm just going to go back in, build that shade up, and now I go back in with the M433 and kind of blend it out and drag it into the crease slightly. So now I'm going to go in with this hard candy eyeliner in Wink Wink. It's kind of like a beautiful periwinkle blue color, and I'm going to be putting that in my lower waterline. And then I go back in with Chip and I blend that shade out, or the eyeliner out with it, kind of clean up any excess. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus and go back in with the Twerk shade and just intensify it and really make it pop with the Fix Plus. So then I'm going to highlight the brow bone with this Wet n Wild shade called Sugar. It's just a matte white shade. I didn't want to do anything glittery. Now I'm going to take this NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner and I'm going to tightline the upper waterline. And I'm also going to be putting that on my lash line. And this doesn't have to be precise. We're going to be putting a shadow over it. So just make a small band of liner, and then I'm going to go in with that same color chip, that dark brown, and put it right over where I... So here is the finished look. For a lip, I have this ColourPop and ILUVSARAH Ultra Glossy Lip in Curve 2. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. I'm not in